Hi Makalagan! Ako si Kalagan Fritz at ito ang Laagan sa Subo. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. Real people, real transformation. Dagan kita pangutana. Gusto ta magpa best version of ourselves. Be more confident. Lose weight in a fast way. But ang pangutana, safe ba ka ha? O unsay mga benepisyo na naa nila. So help me welcome to talk about weight loss. We have Dr. Clint Liao Banaay. Hello, Dr. Clint.
Hello.
How are you?
Welcome to our clinic.
Yes, hello. We will be talking about weight loss, right? Now, daghan jud kay mangutana ani. Unsa man jud ning all over social media gitawag pa nila TRZ. Can you talk about that?
Well, TRZ, it's a GLP-1 agonist. It's like semaglutide. Tirzepatide is also a GLP-1 agonist. These are hormones, no? These hormones, GLP-1, gitawag na to GLP-1 in general, are hormones that controls our appetite, controls our insulin secretion, and glucagon secretion. So, when your GLP-1 is released in the body, it slows down your gastric emptying. So, mura kag busog. Kay mo slow man ang pagaling sa pagkaon. So, dugay kay ka mahilisan. Sa Bisaya pa, laktod pang pagkasulti. Dugay kay hilisan. So, pero may mo feeling busog. Ikaduha, it increases our insulin. So, mubaba jud ang sugar nato. So, nai-risk go nga mag-hypoglycemia ka, mubaba imo sugar. And then, it also controls your brain's appetite. So, mo reduce imong gana sa kaon, no? Pero these are medical weight loss or medically induced weight loss program nato din he. So, dapat kuan siya kanang giyahan jud ka dapat og health professional or doctor.
I see. So, Doc, which means before we have these shots na TRZ nila na ingon sad, it should be guided by you. Jud, di lang pwede magpatakal at tagpalit lang di syringe ingon ana ba na or how about where can we trust have this mga TRZ na trusted Jud?
Okay, ang importante ang tirzepatide or semaglutide is FDA approved, no? And kuan man gud namon gud tay mga kanang gitawag natong dilihiyang na mga pasyente.
Yes.
So it's really important to see a medical doctor for a consultation first to be assessed kung pwede ba sila mag-tirzepatide. Kaya naman ko'y uban, dili na sila obese, dili sila overweight, gusto lang magpa-sexy. Kami sa medical field, we don't give them kay gusto lang jud nila. We have to look at indications, na by indication kung pwede ba jud kaani nga tambal, nga klase nga tambal kay pwede man gud ma-suppress imong gana sa kaon. So basig di na nang kaganahan mo kaon, maluya kag samot, no? And then ang uban lang pod nga mga clients nato, nagtuo sila nga tirzepatide ra alone or semaglutide ra pwede magpadaot.
Yes, kimura mo sila bisag ako. Okay mo na siya. So i-shot na nako, muslim na ko.
So it goes hand in hand with proper diet and exercise gihapon. So dili gihapon na may uban ko maglitsyon nako kay mag-tirzepatide kay naka-tirzepatide nako or mag-ingana na sila. So dapat balanced diet gihapon and then encourage gihapon nato mag-exercise, no? Okay, para healthy jud ang overall nga weight loss.
I see. So meaning even though you have the TRZ na, kailangan gihapon ta exercise, movement gihapon. Now you mentioned earlier, Doc, na kani siya ang effect ani is to lower down sugar.
Yes, it can lower down sugar.
And I have heard also blood pressure.
Indirect siya nga effect actually because once mo decrease imuhang fat because obesity is related to hypertension.
Yes.
So kung mo normal na imuhang BMI or basal metabolic index, mo lower pod imuhang hypertension.
I see. So better jud siya noon sa mga taas or diabetic. And then high blood.
Dyslipidemia.
How about those people na when you say sugar tagas, nana sila sa borderline? Sa kailangan ba gyapon ni?
Basta ang atong indication is obesity.
Okay.
Obesity or overweight. So, nahi studies that tirzepatide can prevent the conversion of a pre-diabetic individual to diabetic. So, maproteksyonan ang individual, no, ang pasyente. Dili siya mo lahos into diabetes.
Now I see. So, sa giingon nila, prevention is better than cure. So, mintras na since naman kas border, if you have that one, mas ma-prevent pa dyan na di ka ma-diabetes.
Yes.
Mas nice yan, no? But Doc, my question also, namagoy uban na netizen that all they have to do is to buy this na lang with someone else, with nursing, ipadala, or ipakwan, and then, anay uban na murag lang, pa-inject na lang kung naslit ka ilang nurse. Is it safe ba dyan na, ana lang? Or, kasi simugin ko mas nice dyan na magpa-consult dyan sa doctor?
Actually, ang tirzepatide or ang semaglutide, well-studied naman sila na mga GLPs, generally safe. But there are pros and cons, no? Like, dili man tama kayo nga safe siya all the time. Like, overdosing, it's not safe kung ma-overdose ka.
Yes.
Diba? Na may mga tambal mangyapon siya. Medical device mangyapon siya. It's considered medicine. So, there is what we call optimum dosage to be given. Dili ta pwede mag-overdose. And then, natay gitawag og pre-assessment or assessment. So, before tagaan ng pasyente, dapat mo undergo pa siya thorough physical examination sa doctor and history taking. Like, natay mga bawal sa tirzepatide o semaglutide katong na medullary cancer.
Okay.
Medullary cancer or men type 2 or men 1, men 2 nga mga medullary endocrine neoplasia. Mo ni mga absolute bawal.
I see. Kung if ako no mga kalaagan no, much better hinoon na I'll consult a doctor, like ni doc, na mo adto jud ko ask what I need to ask before I have these shots.
Yes.
Kaya naman na isad gihapon siya yung mga pros and cons.
And then another absolute contraindication would be buntis.
okay.
Bawal jud ang buntis, no?
Yes. Kaya di natibala na yung mga women na wa sila kabon na buntis na di sila. Okay.
Muna namin mga clients diri nga kanang if they're on contraceptive pills, I would always advise them if you're on contraceptive pill, there's a tendency for your contraceptive pills to lower its effect. So, pwede ka mabuntis, no? So, kung mabuntis ka ni we have to stop it. We have to stop tirzepatide.
I see, yes. Ang nakanindot mo Doc, if Muslim sad ka mo, younger man sa good. Wala na nakakonsent. And ang nakanindot sad, sa Terzi kay more siya kanang even though wala sa kay gibuhat, at least it's lower down na more di kay kaganam ka man dili lang kapataka ra sa kaon lechon ikon
na guided jud ka gihapon.
Guided gihapon no. Stindot na yung kalaagan no. Now aside with the Terzi that you have, is there other ways sad na for example di siya qualified sa Terzi DI?
Kung natay mga different forms of exercises na pwede sa pasyente, and then parisa na to proper diet. So, kung proper diet alone, maka-counsel jud ta on how many calories pwede dapat i-take sa pasyente. Kaya na may certain calorie or mag-calorie counting ta, or ang client, tudluan na to calorie counting para dito ra sa taman siyang gikaon para di na siya weight gain.
I see. But Doc, for example, if I'm qualified already to have that, is it like how many times should I have this shot?
That's a very good question.
Is it like every day ba? Okay. Is it every after week, every month?
According sa atong guidelines, it's weekly shots. Weekly shot. Okay. So once a week ra siya because ang medication mo stay in your body for 5 to 7 days.
Alright.
So, mo wear off na siya, maubos na iyang level by 6 days. So, mawa na siya on the 7th day. So, you have to take another shot on the 7th or 8th day.
I see now. So weekly siya once, and then also, murag ma-feel na din nimo in the 7 days and then nanay nga lose weight. Actually, ma-feel na masadyo na to murag masigo na nato mga sanina dira, di ba, Doc?
Ang una dyan mo ma-feel is dali ka mabusog.
Okay, now Doc, for example, kalitan ko na, because I'm so busy, I'm so ang dangan sa nako. mas stop na ko, what will happen? Is it ba na mariting gyapon ako kang body weight or
ang nakanindot sa Thursday manggod is you can discontinue it anytime.
okay.
But the goal that you want, dili nimo ma-achieve. Kay mubalik naman ang imong ganas kaon, no? If you can control your appetite, wala ray problema. Pwede ra jud ka muundang basta you can control your appetite. Muna atong patients na uban maka-control dayon 2 months time, 4 months time, your brain is retrained na
Okay.
to control your
okay,
eating
okay.
habit. Pwede na jud undangan. Pero na uban nga mobalik jud sila kay once pag-undang nila nibalik lang gana.
Nagana.
So
I
wala sila
see.
ka-control sa ilang own.
So it's
appetite.
up to you
Yes,
gihapon
oo.
pala. It's up to you how you control or it's up to you unsa imong gipang intake dira ng mga lechon. That's just ang sound nila. Mga baboy nila na unsa ng mga
usually
okay.
mga mga patients nato mga from BPO or from the corporate world. So ilang permi alibay or ilang permi reason di sila ka-control silang appetite because of stress
yes.
induced, no?
Actually, I agree with that, Doc, no? Because of sa BPO so work maka-stress. Ang ilabi din na ikwan ay deserve na ako. I have to eat. Oh, manaman sa sila kwarta. I have to eat. Hantod na they don't know. Ay, dako na.
Weight gain na.
Oh, diba?
Ilang nila ma-notice, no? So, the good thing about tirzepatide and semaglutide or mga GLP is that pwede jud ka mukaon sa imong gusto, but in moderation, gyapon. So, makabantay ka, if you want to eat sweet like cakes, chocolate, makakaon ra man gyapon ka, pero mabantayan nimo dali na kay ka makontento.
More style, mas satisfied.
Yes.
Ay, okay na ni siya.
Rather than depriving yourself, na murang
correct.
mag-antos na noon ka, ganyan nung i-deprive. Is it a punishment not to eat, di ba? Why would you punish yourself? You're already stressed.
Oh, now I understand. Okay, Doc, now, my next question is, asa man ta pwede magpa-terzi? Asa man inyong clinic na ako gusto ko magpa-check up before I proceed with those shots? Asa man ta?
Well, of course, we can offer you at Skin Global Empire, which is located at Raintree Mall, F. Ramos Street, Cebu City. We're open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pero among requirement diri is dili may basta mutusok kung walay doctor's appointment. O di may basta mo give og tirzepatide basta wa pay thorough assessment sa doctor.
Which is you are here jud sa clinic. So makalaga na dungga ninyo, no? So where we can find or mas nice yun na magpa-consult ang doctor only here at Skin Global Empire because real people, real transformation. So thank you kaayo, Doc. No, I learned a lot. Once again, if you want to have to know more about Terzi, pa-consult sa doctor only here at Skin Global Empire inside Raintree Mall. Dali na kayo matutulan makalaagan, no? So, thank you very much, Doc Glenn. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel at Laagan sa Subo and click the bell button for notification. Like our official Facebook page at Laagan sa Subo. And also, if you have questions, if you want appointments, you may follow the official Facebook page of Skin Global Empire official Facebook page. And also, you may follow me on my TikTok account, Instagram, and Facebook at Fritz Gerald Alcaraz. Once again, ako si Kalaagan Fritz saying, stay safe, be a responsible Kalaagan, and this is Laagan sa Subo.
Laagan sa Subo.